Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, saya Wike Januriati dengan NIM 19043145. Kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang Sistem Informasi Manajemen tugas di minggu ke-12. Baiklah, di sini ada pertanyaan dari buku Kelly, yaitu explain why is the important to capture and manage knowledge. Jawaban saya adalah accumulating story and effectively sharing knowledge allow you to create a culture that can significantly improve efficiency and employee happiness. But ineffective knowledge management impact the financial front and employees' satisfaction level. Question number 2. Compare and contrast tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. My answer: tacit knowledge is the knowing the thing without knowing how we know. Explicit knowledge is this knowing of things that you can explain. For example, most people can speak grammatical without being able to explain the rules of grammar. This is tacit knowledge. Baiklah, di sini ada pertanyaan sumber lain, yaitu explain how knowledge management infrastructure and knowledge management mechanisms become fundamental requirements to make knowledge management system run well. My answer: knowledge management infrastructure is this foundation of knowledge in the form of process that help the organization to generate, create, acquire, test, organize, use, and disseminate knowledge, as well as transfer and expertise of organization into important knowledge for administrative activities, such as decision making, strategic planning, learning, and problem solving. The success of knowledge management depends broadly on the necessity for a flexible and capable organization structure responding to change in the outside the organization structural type and characteristic affect the embedded process of creating, transforming, and sharing of knowledge by impact the social interaction. Knowledge management infrastructure on organization performance. Infrastructure in the every month of the organization talk with knowledge creation, knowledge sharing, knowledge application, knowledge protection, and knowledge strong become easy. And it is the best enabler for organization to perform the key M system, framework, and capabilities with agility, effectively, and efficiency. Question number 4. Jelaskan contoh perusahaan di Indonesia yang telah menerapkan knowledge management system serta paparkan. Jadi contohnya di sini adalah PT Astra Grafia. Perusahaan ini berfokus pada bisnis document solution dengan perjalanan bisnis dengan menyediakan peralatan perkantoran, penghancur kertas, dan lain-lain. Kemudian meningkatkan pengetahuan karyawan dan mengantisipasi fenomena pembajakan SDM terampil dengan mengembangkan sistem knowledge management yang diterapkan dapat menjadi media untuk karyawan sehingga terciptalah knowledge database untuk tingkat daya saing perusahaan. Pengembangan sistem knowledge yang dilakukan oleh PT ini yaitu dengan menggunakan 3 pendekatan, yaitu pendekatan teknologi, pendekatan orang, dan pendekatan media. Pendekatan teknologi dengan menambahkan network PC, SAP sebagai proses bisnis inti, e-dokumen inti, serta knowledge portal, email, serta groupware seperti DSS. Pendekatan orang yaitu knowledge sharing forum, yaitu kegiatan penyebaran dan pengembangan diri. serta pelatihan formal serta training. Pendekatan media yaitu perpustakaan, majalah, toner, dan majalah dinding yang diterapkan di setiap lantai untuk menampilkan berita duka atau event-event khusus. Oleh karena itu, penerapan knowledge management di PT Astra Grafia sebagai besar memanfaatkan software Xerox, DocuShare, serta software untuk manajemen dokumen serta membawa pengaruh positif pada semua karyawan sebagai organisasi dan memberikan manfaat serta keuntungan. Oke, untuk soal kasus yaitu kasus pada Sargent and Lundy Learn to Manage Employee Knowledge di buku London. Pertanyaan yang pertama, how is knowledge management related to Sargent and Lundy business model? My answer, knowledge management is related to Sargent and Lundy business model on the are providing comprehensive engineering, project management, and consulting service for complex power generation and power transmission project trend need depth expertise. Question number 2. Identify the knowledge management problem faced by Sargent and Lundy. What management organisasi and technology factor contribute to the problem? My answer, the knowledge management problem faced by Sargent and Lundy is risk of losing the tacit knowledge of employee expert when many of the routine around the same time. The company here, the large group of new recruits speedily to respect their retiles. However, with a forward footprint and ambition explained plans. The below management organization, the technology factor have contributed to the problem. Complexity and depth of the demand, long tenure of the action employee that enable creation of tacit knowledge, and unstructured schedule of instructor-led course that employee, lack of house computer-based training, general training of employee. Pertanyaan ketiga, describe the solution selected for the problem was effective, why or why not? The solution for this problem was to implement a new talent management platform based on SAP Success Factor Learning Management System. SAP Success Factor is a cloud-based human capital management. It was effective is interact software for orienting and training a new employee. Social business and collaboration tool, a learning management system, performance management, recruiting software, application tracking software, success and planning, talent management and HR analytics. It's also a provided reporting and tracking capability for employee development. Question number 4. What management organization and technology ensure had to be addressed selecting and implement the solution? The below management organization technology factor to be addressed in selecting and implementing the solution. Organization yaitu should cultivate the community according to its demand and attract practitioners in development of their practice. Prevent of new recruit for a more discussion and feedback and day-to-day basis. Evolve a sponsorship and recognition structure. Develop a peer recognition process and spare some way to profit recognition or organization level. Management should be provided of adequate organization support structure and make critical for every employee or software gets to engage in knowledge. Technology, ICT enable system could be development and technical bulletin forum the set by employee themselves. The existing database of document process and prosedur. Oke, sekian dari saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.